Hi Flutes, welcome back. On today's video, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page number 16. This is our accent on performance for the song Cyberspace Overture. Now, instead of playing the song from the beginning to the end, let's break it into pieces. That way, we'll get to play the sections of the piece and we can pause as we need to work on things. So, the introduction of this song is the first 8 measures. And we start with a 3-measure rest. So we'll count that. And then in measure 4, we've got a B flat, B natural pattern that we want to make sure we do. So let's give this a try. This piece is in 4/4 time. It's got 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. And the tempo is allegro. However, for today, we're going to keep it about 90 beats per minute or moderato. Join me and let's play the introduction. Ready? Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 2, 3, 4. And that takes us to measure 9. At measure 9, we have another multiple measure rest, and then in measure 12, we have an E flat, E natural note pattern, and the rhythm 1 and 2 and 4 and. A lot of eighth note, single eighth note, or single eighth rests in these patterns. Just count your measures 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Make sure you're subdividing. Let's start at number 9 and go to measure 17. 1, 2, ready, 9. 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. At measure 17, there's a 17 to a first ending and then a 17 to a second ending. The flutes only play the second time at 17. Where do you begin? In the first ending. So that is counted as rests until you get to the first ending, and then you play the pickups, which is where we're going to start. We're going to start in measure 24, the last measure of the first ending. We'll play those 4 eighth note pickups, go back to 17, but this time we'll play ending number 2. Here we are. Measure 24, ready, go. Rest, rest. Two, 3, 4. Look at measure 25, or that second ending. Lots of single eighth rests in there, and they're on beats 2, 3, and 4. So we'll play 1 and 2 and on the and, or on the after beat. Great, let's pick it up at measure 27. 1, 2, 27, go. At this point in the song, there's a fermata and the word fine. It's not the end of the song just yet, but eventually, measure 36 is the final measure. First, we have to play the sections at 37, 43, and 51, and then DC al fine. More on that in a moment. Let's start at measure 37. Notice there's a key change. We're going to have 1 flat, just B flat, and the tempo is slower. Let's start at measure 37 the second time. Again, just like above, The flutes only play on the second time of 37. Here's second time. Take the second ending. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Let's try that a little slower. I'm going to just put my metronome down a little bit. Do that again, 37. Second time. Ready? And rest. From here, let's go on to our next segment, 43. Watch out for your A flats and E flats. 1, 2, 43, and rest. One, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. That brings us up to measure 51. This time, we get to play both times, and we'll take the first ending and the second ending. And 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. From here in the song, we would go back all the way to measure 1 and play all the way through to measure 36 again. This song has an A-B-A form when it comes to its structure. So I hope this has been helpful. Now your challenge is to go back and try playing the Cyberspace Overture all the way through on your own. I hope you'll make some great progress and hopefully play this with your group one day soon. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.